Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, in my case 16 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So basically you can check some further details using two different ways. So you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, or you can check the specific time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with time you've spent on them. What is more, here in this level you can set the camera, not the camera timers, but app timers. So, for example, if you decide that you're using your specific app too much, for too long, you can set the timer just up on this hourglass icon, and here you can set the app limits. It's totally up to you whether you want to use it or not. The second way of checking the details is to... Hey. What happened? Okay. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings phone camera, just tap on it. And again, you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. What is more, here you've got ways to disconnect, app limits, which I've explained before, but also the bedtime mode or focus mode, which is extremely useful, especially if you need the time to focus. So for example, you need to study, work, or you just want to rest without being disturbed. Here you can set the schedule. So first of all, you have to choose some distracting apps. So for example, it could be some kind of social media app or Chrome or whatever is distracting for you. I'll just choose Chrome and clock. Here we've got our distracting apps, and now we can set a schedule. So we can choose specific days in which the schedule will be applied and specific hours. After tapping on set, your device will apply it, of course, and during the schedule it will hide the notifications from those distracting apps, which is really useful. I believe so. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.